Hey, what's your name? Good job. Don't hit Boris. Say Pepper. Oh, good job. Your name is Alexandra. How old are you? Say 1. Hey, Alexandra, how old are you going to be next year? Are you going to be 2? Say 2. 2. Good job. Hey, Alexandra, say backpack. Good job. Say me. How do you say me? Alexandra. Is Boris running away from you? Get him. Let's go get Boris. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? What are you doing with your ear? Are you wiping your ear? Alexandra, what else can you say? Say grandma. Say grandma. Hey, don't hit Boris.